Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change name in Google Meet. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, you have to know that your Google Meet account name depends on your Google account or your Gmail account name. So what you have to do, you just need to change your Google account name. So go to your profile section in your Gmail and click on this manage account settings or manage your Google account. Now you have to go to the personal info tab. Open the tab. Here you can see a name option. Click on your name option. Now you can see your name has been shown here. What you have to do, just click on this pencil icon and now you can edit your name. When you change your Google account name, your account name in Google Meet will automatically changed. So change your name from here and click on the save icon. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.